Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add fonts to CapCut app on your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the CapCut app if you haven't already. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. After you open the app, here you can see the new project option. Tap on it to open the new project. Now select any videos from your gallery to edit and tap on add. Now let me go ahead and add some text. Here you can see the text option at the bottom. Tap on it. Choose add text. Enter any text over here. Now that I've added the text, in order to add font to it, you need to first select the text in the timeline. And here you can see option which says style at the bottom. Tap on it. And it will prompt you to the font space. Here you can select from different fonts. You can scroll down and explore more fonts and try it in your text to see which one fits better. And that's it. That's how you can add fonts to your text in the CapCut app. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.